Hello? Hello? Audible now, students?
Yes, sir.
Ah, yes. Okay, okay. Yes. Okay, let us start. Try that. Okay, we are rectifying. Just wait. Yes, now audible, I think. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, good morning, everybody. So, last class we discussed about biasing the diode. Yes. So, biasing is nothing but what? Bias. What we discussed? Bias is nothing but connecting battery. When you are connecting battery to the semiconductor diode, that is called biasing. Yes. There are two kinds of bias we discussed. Suppose I will do here. Here you have the diode. What is this region? P. This is N. So P region with positive, N region with negative. You see, P region with positive, N region with negative. True connection. What do you say? Forward bias. Okay. Suppose P region with negative, P region. Now also. Yes. Now it audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now I want response from all the three classes. C section. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Audible. B. Oh, yes. Okay, okay. Sorry. Okay, A and B. Okay. Now it is audible, I think. B section, Dev Sharma. A section, many are there, I think. Okay. Akriti, Aman Hussain. Okay, they are sending message. Yes. Now nobody will have the problem. Sorry, my part. Okay, I understand that. Now here open camera, mic. Here also open. Here also open. I think now everything fine. Okay. Yes. So here, suppose PN junction diode, the P region with the positive, N region with the negative. What do you say? Forward bias. If you have like that, here minus, here plus, minus, here plus. This is P region, this is N region. This what do you say? Reverse bias. So please you understand these two very carefully. Okay, based on that only we can go for characteristics and also rectifier. Okay, just these are the today topic we are going to discuss. Regarding forward bias, already I explained to you. Okay, now I am going to give the actual diagram. Actual PN junction diode. You see that. Okay. Suppose here P region, here N region. Okay, here what you have? The left means minus will come here, minus, here plus. Okay, now what I am going to do? Here plus, here minus. Listen now, this is easy to understand. So this is applied potential difference. Internally, you have some potential difference. What is that? Barrier potential. Okay. Now, once you see here, P region with the positive, N region with the negative. First point, forward bias. One by one, you write. Reverse, we'll see later. Okay. Yes. Now, first point, how to connect the battery. Okay. P region with the positive, N region with the negative. Okay. Second point, what is happening? Here, what is the majority here in P region? Holes. Here, what is the point here? Positive. So positive, positive, what will happen? Ripple. N region, what is the majority? Here, electrons. Here, negative, 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 ripple. So this positive will repel the hole, the negative will repel the electron. So now, what will happen? They have to diffuse now. Previously, barrier was the internal potential barrier. That's why not able to do that. Now, externally, you are applying the force, potential difference. So automatically, what will happen? The majority charge carrier diffuse. So V greater than VB, majority charge carrier diffuse again. I think you will understand. Previously it is stopped. Why? Equilibrium. Now externally you are applying the battery. So because of that, battery potential difference is greater than the barrier potential. So automatically what will happen? Now again the majority charge carrier starts moving, diffusing. So automatically what you will get? Current flows. This current is due to what? Electron as well as hole. How the current it is measured? In milliampere. Okay. So what is forward bias? P region with the positive, N region with the negative. Second point, when the applied potential difference is greater than the barrier potential, the majority charge carrier diffuse again. So the current starts flowing. The current because of electron as well as hole. The current is in the order of milliampere. Okay, these are the points you remember. Now what is happening? Suppose positive to here. This is the electric field. Here positive to negative. This is the electric field. These two electric fields are opposite direction. Opposite direction. That's why what will happen? The net electric field increases. Increases or decreases? Opposite, no? One is due to applied battery, one electric field. The other field is due to internal potential barrier. How these two, you see, plus to minus. In capacitor, you might have read, no? Suppose this is plus, this is minus. So what is the electric field? Plus to minus, away from plus. This is the electric field. That only I put it. Plus to minus. Here, this is plus, this is minus. So, plus to minus. How both are acting? Opposite. Opposite, what happened? Net electric field decreases. Okay. So, the depletion layer decreases. Width of the depletion layer. Potential barrier. Resistance at junction, what? Decreases. These are the points, please you write. Okay, so once the forward bias is given, what will happen? The width of the depletion line, because the majority charge carriers diffuse, so automatically width goes on decreasing. Width decreases means what will happen? It is nothing but obstacle, no? The width decreases means resistance decreases. Resistance decreases means the current increases. Why the current increases? Because of majority charge carrier. So during forward bias, the majority charge carriers are responsible for electrical conduction. So the current is because of majority charge carrier. Majority charge gives the forward current. Forward current. That's all. Is it clear to you all the points? Okay. So what is forward bias? During forward bias, what is happening? Okay. In forward bias, which is responsible for electrical conduction? In order of how to measure milliampere. Okay. I will give the graph now. For this, I will give the graph. It is visible here. Suppose here V. Here I is in milliampere. V is in volt. So up to certain current, certain voltage, no current, then it is increasing. I told, so this point, suppose VB. Exactly here it is coming, it is knee voltage. Knee voltage. It is going like that. Okay, it is VB. So now you see up to this portion, why no current? Here V less than VB. V less than VB, no current. Okay, V less than VB, no current. You write all the points, very useful. That's all, over now. Now same thing I am going to do for reverse bias. If you have doubt in these points, you can ask me now. Yes. If you have specific doubt, what is forward bias? During forward bias, what is happening? What are the changes? And the graph. I am telling now this is called IV characteristics. What do you say? IV characteristics. Easy to write. What you will write? Here I, here V. V 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 0, 0, 0, 0, then 1, 2, then 4, it will increase. See, up to this you see no current. Why no current? Because of barrier potential. Once you cross the barrier potential, the charge starts moving. So you are getting the current. That portion only you are getting here. After that, the current increases. But here V is not directly proportional to I. That's why this is called non-ohmic. Non-ohmic conductor. Which one? Junction diode. PN junction diode is non-ohmic. Non-ohmic. Okay. Is it clear? Can I get response from 1 or 2 students? Yes. Any doubt? Clear. Josna, Saurav. The message I am getting from 1. Acha. Then I have to go with the other window. Okay, other window, B section, voice, previous message it was. Okay. Yes, sir, clear. Akriti and other, they are talking about sound. And okay. Okay. Now I am going to explain about the reverse bias. So what is reverse bias? What is mean by reverse bias? Anyone of you? Yes? No audio from your side.
Sir, when positive terminal of the external battery is connected to N side
Yes.
and the negative terminal of the P side is connect of the P to N junction.
Very good. I think Varsha,
No, sir, Roshni.
Roshni. Huh? Roshni. Okay, okay. Varsha silent or Varsha is attending? Varsha voice by sir. No, she is there. Okay, okay. Okay, okay, no problem. Good, very good, ma'am. Yes, yes, Varsha. Okay, okay, no problem, no problem. So here, suppose you take it. Okay, P, this is N. P means what you have here also. Here, yeah. Yes. Now you see minus here plus plus. Okay. Minus. Okay. So this now what will happen? Here you are going to connect the minus. Listen carefully. Here plus. Just the reverse. So plus minus here V. Here the potential barrier VB. Now look at that. Okay, what is okay? And all of you listen now. What is reverse bias? What is reverse bias? You see that. Okay, first point. P region with negative and N region with positive. Just put opposite. Put opposite. Okay, suppose you have that. This is the diode. What is this? P. This is N. P with negative. Okay, here positive. That's all. Minus plus. Reverse. P region with negative, N region with positive. That is called reverse bias. Again, I am repeating, whether it is the P type semiconductor, N type semiconductor, neutral only. Neutral. Very, very important. Okay. But to remember, P region with negative, positive P region, we assume positive, suppose negative, then N region with the positive, just opposite way. That's why it is reverse bias. That's why it is called reverse bias. Okay. Second point. What is happening? You see that. Now, minus here, majority carrier holds positive. So the holes will be attracted towards negative. Similarly, here positive, majority carrier electron, the electrons will be attracted towards this side. Just imagine how the majority carriers are moving. Anyone of you can respond? Towards the junction or away from the junction? How the majority charge carriers will move? Yes, Saurabh is responding away from junction. Very good. Very good. Divani and others, Saloni, others also respond. Yes, because previously what happened? Previous case, forward bias, repulsive force. So they will be pushed like that towards the junction. But now what will happen? The majority charge carriers are attracted by the terminals of the battery. Terminals of the battery. Holes attracted by negative. Electron attracted by positive terminal of the battery. So automatically they move away from each other. They move away from the junction. When they move away from the junction, what will happen? You see, suppose already this is the case. Minus here plus. When the majority carriers moves like that, then what will happen? You see here minus, here plus. So what about width of the depletion layer? Width of the depletion layer increases. Increases. So the resistance at the junction increases. So majority carrier, no current. Okay. no current due to majority charges. I think this is very clear. That's all. Width of the depletion layer increases, so naturally resistance increases. What will happen here? So no current because of majority charge carrier. What about the electric field? Check the electric field. Plus to minus, here plus to minus, electric field, how they are acting. What about the electric field direction? Due to battery and due to potential barrier, same direction, opposite direction. Plus to minus, so this side, plus minus this side. How both are acting? See the direction. How they are acting? Same direction. Same direction means what about in vector? What you will do? It will be added or subtracted? Added. So what will be the net electric field? Increases or decreases? That's all, increases. Over. Yes, Roshini, Saloni, others are responding. Good. So net electric field increases. Where? In forward bias, reverse bias. That's all. Then how we will get the current? Reverse bias also you are getting the current. So you see that what will happen now? Here minus. But what is the minority in P region? What is the minority in P region? Which charge carrier? Electrons. What is the minority in N region? Holes. So now what will happen? You see, here what will happen? You have electron, the number may be less. Here you have holes. You see minus, here plus. This is what? Minority here. If you have problem, I will put minus, plus, plus. So automatically they will move here. They will move here. What is this? Minority. You are able to follow? Now the minority charge carriers are repelled. So minus, plus, plus. So now the minority charge carrier move, because minority charge carrier because of the breaking of covalent bond, because of the temperature. Okay, so now they repelled. Now they diffuse across the junction. So the minority is what? Less in number. So when the charge carrier less, the current also less. Yes. So now the current is due to minority. Whether visible? Yes. Minority, that is what? Microampere. Very, very important that. So due to majority charge carrier, no current in reverse bias. But minority will contribute some current. These are the diagram not in the book. Just for explanation, I am taking the example. That's all. You copy it for your understanding. So now the current is due to minority charge carrier. Minority charge carrier means what? Less in number. So automatically you will get minimum current. How much? Microampere. 10 power minus 6 ampere. Very, very small. Okay, you see that? So here V, here I, here also. Here what will happen? You got like that. Here this is in milliampere. This is what? Forward bias. You got it, no? Up to certain voltage, no current, then it is. In this case, what happened? Reverse bias, current is in microampere. So here you see, Yes. Can I give the table for V, I, V, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, suppose 2 volt or 3, no problem. 3, 4, here 3 ampere, micro ampere. This is visible? Yes. See that 0, 0, 1, 1 you got it, 2 you are getting 3. After that, when you increase the applied voltage, no change in the current. What? The current is saturated. Suppose 3 micro ampere. So this is forward bias. This is reverse bias. I think the concept is clear to you. So the forward bias, the current is due to majority charge carrier. Reverse bias, the current is due to minority charge carrier. So when the number is majority, you are getting current in milliampere. Step by step, you remember. Minority, you are getting current in microampere. Very small current. Very, very small. 10 power minus 6. Okay. So these are the things you write. Note down all the points. Okay. Next, I may give introduction about the rectification. For that, this is very useful. Okay. During forward bias, during reverse bias, what is happening? Okay, I think it's very clear to you. Any other message from other I want to get? Yes. Yes, Harsh and others already responded also. Because what is happening? Different window, that's why whatever window opening I am getting. So, okay, good. Now, see, all are using mobile phone. Okay. So there, which one is giving the energy supply? Through battery. How will you charge the battery, mobile battery? You tell me. Mobile phone battery, no? How will you charge? Okay. AC or DC? Charge. AC voltage or DC voltage? I want response from you. AC, Vivek. Okay. Others? I want a response from B section. A. Already I got the response from Somil, Ketan, Chitesh, Varsha. All written here DC. Anushka also. Okay. B. No. Here DC. Saurabh is responding DC. Okay. 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 Now, what is the electricity we are getting at home? AC. Because what is the advantage of AC? So from AC you can easily convert it into DC. This is point number 1. Second one, the power dissipation, power wastage, that will be less in AC. Because how to control AC current? Using capacitor as well as inductor. Even resistor also. But resistor we are not using. Okay, reason because the power dissipation is maximum in case of resistor. But DC you can have control with the resistor only. You cannot use inductor or capacitor. So that's why the power dissipation is maximum in resistor. Okay, that is for DC. So now we always convert AC into DC, the requirement. If you see the mobile charger, there the battery, the voltage may be 3.5, 3.2, that's all. So maximum you can take it, suppose 4 volt. So what they do, we use AC only. Sorry, DC only, not D. So first you have to convert AC into DC. How to convert AC into DC? Okay, that only we are going to discuss that. So what we are getting at home? AC. But mobile charger, what is the actually input you have to give? DC. Then what we will do? We will convert from AC into DC. That DC is given to the charge battery. Okay, so that is a concept. So the process is called rectification. Rectification. So what is rectification? The process of converting AC into DC. Rectification is the process converting AC into DC. Visible? Yes. Okay. Rectifier. The circuit is called a rectifier. The circuit is called a rectifier. I think the difference is clear. So what is rectification? The process of converting AC into DC. What is rectifier? The electronic circuit does rectification process. That's all. Circuit is the rectifier device, no? Circuit arrangement. Okay. Now, how to do that? Suppose you see nothing, very simple circuit I am telling. What is this? All of you have seen this. What is this arrangement? What is this arrangement? What is this arrangement? All are able to see the circuit?
Transformer.
Yes, very good. Transformer. Transformer. Okay. Whether it is step up or step down transformer. Look at the diagram. Look at the diagram. Step down. Yes. Somebody responded. Okay. How do you know step down? Okay. In that case, what will happen about the voltage in step down transformer? Input output voltage, you tell me. In terms of AC DC, both are AC or AC output DC. Very good. Okay, let me get the name. Who is responding? Chitesh and Amar. Very good, ma'am. Very good. Really, I am telling that point because whenever I ask the transformer, so I did AC into DC, the answer will come. I am telling. So just here also AC, here also AC. Here AC with low voltage. For your understanding, I am writing. Here with high voltage. That's all. So what is the input you are giving? That is AC. Very important. Very good. Okay. Number of turns more. Number of turns less. So the voltage what you are getting, it is proportional to number of turns. Very simple way, remember. The number of turns more voltage. Number of turns less voltage. So first what we will do, because whatever electrical appliance we are using, electronic appliances, no, low voltage. So first what you have to do, what is the voltage we are getting at home? Input. How much? 220 volt, 50 hertz. All are knowing that. 220 volt is what? Very good. Exactly. RMS value. The effective value is RMS. Root means square value. 50 hertz is the frequency cycle, how it changes. Okay, 50 hertz. Okay. Then 220 volt to some voltage you are going to get. Suppose I am writing here 5 volt. 5 volt AC. 220 to 5 you are converting. For that you used a transformer. Transformer. That's all. After that, what is coming now? This part. What is that? Diode. Another one is resistor. Resistance. RL. RL means what? Load resistance. What is RL? Load resistance. Load resistance means what? Output resistance, where you are taking output. That is, okay, output. Okay. So now what is happening here? You are giving AC high voltage with in the transformer itself, you are getting AC low voltage. Okay. I am giving the diagram here. So what you are giving AC. Okay. So AC voltage. Now what happened? This is the transformer. This is what? Primary. This is secondary. This is primary. So this point I am making S1. This point I am making S2. I think it will be clear diagram. S1, S2, S1, S2. Okay. Now what will happen? Here, first here S1, the positive is there. Okay, during positive of signal. So in that case, this is positive. Okay, now this is positive. Positive means here what will happen? P region, N region. Positive with P region. Which bias? Very simple. Positive with P region. Forward bias. Forward bias, which one conducts electricity? Majority carrier or minority? Majority charge carrier. So you get the output. You get the output. So you are getting the output here. Yes. You will get the output. Current flows from here. Suppose you want the point, you make it A. So A to B, the current is flowing. Okay. So you got it. Okay. So S1 positive in this case. First case, what will happen here? This cycle you have to take. So S1 positive. S2 negative. No need to bother about S2, nothing. Next, what will happen? Negative. Now, S1 negative. S1 here negative, here positive. Negative with P region. Negative with P region. Which bias? Reverse bias. Reverse bias means no conduction due to majority charge carrier. So what we are taking, no conduction at all. You may be asking, sir, the conduction is there due to minority. How much current? 10 power minus 6 ampere. In majority, 10 power minus 3, 1000 times. So no current you will get. No current. Similarly, next, again, this will be positive. Yes, you will get like that. Again, no current. Then what is the principle of rectifier? During forward bias, diode conducts electricity. Reverse bias does not conduct electricity. Please, all of you write. Already you written what is rectification. Next, what is rectifier? Okay, you might have copied the circuit diagram, I think. Now, what is the principle you have to write? During forward bias, diode conducts electricity, and during reverse bias, does not conduct electricity. All of you write. That's all. How you are getting this output, you see? See, you are getting one direction only output. This is output, no? This is what? DC. This is output. This is input. The same diagram. Please, all of you copy it. Okay, this process will continue. But what kind of output, you know? It is not a continuous, no? Here, no. No voltage. Here, no voltage. So it is not a continuous. What? Discontinuous. What is that? discontinuous DC. Discontinuous DC. But what is exactly DC, you tell me? This is AC. Okay. So this is DC. This is DC, no? Straight, no change in the magnitude and direction. Perfect DC. Okay, this is AC. So that's why it is not a perfect DC, no? What you say? Pulsating, discontinuous, pulsating DC. Pulsating, pulse, you know. This is called one pulse. The pulse may be curved, square, rectangle, sawtooth, anything. So this, if you take single, it is a pulse. So discontinuous pulsating DC output. Okay, because you are using only one diode. So only half of the AC converted into DC. Only half of the AC is converted into DC. That's why this rectifier is called what? Half-wave rectifier. Only half of the AC is converted into DC. That's all. I am telling full wave. I am going to give that you can understand yourself. Very simple. Okay. Once you copied everything, then I will explain to you. That is like homework for you. You can do yourself. Very simple. Because the base, whatever required, I explained to you. And you are able to copy it. No? No confusion from handwriting. That presentation I am talking. Something missing here. Oh, it's not visible. Okay. Okay. I think. Okay, I will do here. Okay, this is AC. Okay, this is DC. I am talking about this is DC. This is perfect DC. But instead of straight, what is coming? Curve, pulse, pulsating. That pulsating also not continuous. That's why discontinuous pulsating DC output. Okay, this is for half-wave rectifier. Only half of the AC is converted into DC. That's all. So I may be taking 5 minutes I can take very well. Yes, if you have doubt, you ask me, because I'm going to explain with the same setup, full wave rectifier. Full wave rectifier. What is full wave? Complete AC is converted into DC. Here what is happening? Only half cycle. Whatever you have positive, that you got it. Negative, filtered out. That's why it is called half-wave rectifier. So what we have to discuss now? Full wave. If you have doubt, please ask me. I want principle. Any response from your side? What is the principle of rectifier? Yes? Message, audio message I want. What is the principle of rectifier? Yes? What is the principle of rectifier? No, no. Somil Jain and others. Rectifier I asked. I didn't ask about the transformer. Yes. Varsha, it is a process, ma. AC into DC is the process. That's all. During forward bias, diode conducts. Reverse bias does not conduct. This is the principle. Which one working under mutual induction? Transformer. Okay, transformer. Okay. Now the process is AC into DC. Which one? Rectifier. What is rectifier? The circuit which converts AC into DC. That is what is rectifier. But what is the principle? During forward bias, it conducts. reverse bias does not conduct. Hardik, I think this must be very clear also. Okay. Yes. I think others also. C section audible. I'm getting response
Yes,
from
sir.
yes. Okay, okay. I didn't get the answer from C. Okay, anyway. So now I'm going to discuss about full wave. You see that? What I'm going to do, just to connect one more diode here. In that case, what I will do, I make it, this is D1, this is D2. So this is off wave rectifier. Okay. Now you see, so first what will happen? S1 positive, S2 negative. Okay. Suppose if you have S1, I am writing here, S1, S2 here, D1, D2. S1 positive, S2 negative. So this is forward, D2 reverse. Understand? First, you see, first cycle. So here plus, here minus. So now the diode 1 forward bias. Diode 1 forward bias means the current will flow. Okay, diode will conduct the D1. So you will get the current. But what's the problem here? Because the direction, if it is here, then opposite will come. Okay, let me check it. So now, visible? Yes. So you are getting the output here. Just for understanding, I'm making difference. Okay, this is for full wave output. Next, suppose now what will happen? S1 minus S2 plus. So here reverse, here forward. So here it will conduct D2. But you cannot put like that, no, because it will come opposite. That's why what we do here, the resistor, no, here we make like that. See that is center tab. So this is RL. Now I am writing this is A, this is B. So here this is output. Nothing is there, simple. Instead of putting here, I put here. Listen, suppose what will happen? Yes, first case, current will flow through D1. So here, where it is coming? A to B. So A to B, you got the output here. Next case, S1 negative, S2 positive. So this will be the reverse bias, this will be forward bias. Now the current through this, see, current, enter. Previously what happened? Current through this. You are able to understand? Current always flow from A to B. Why we are specifying the current always flows from A to B? That only forward bias, no? That only DC, sorry. That only DC, because the current direction should not be changed. Current direction should not be changed. Always from A to B, always from A to B. Whether through D1 or D2, the current direction should not change. One case A to B, then other case B to A. Wrong. It is not a DC. So again, you are getting the output. Similarly, just to distinguish, that's all. Now what happened? You get continuous. Instead of discontinuous, what you will write? Continuous, again pulsating DC output. Continuous pulsating DC output. That's all. If you have doubt, please ask me so that I can respond. I will take maximum 1 minute, 1 or 2 minutes, just for your response only. Anybody having doubt, so that I can explain that point. It is telling clear. Okay. Kushi Sharma and others already responded. Okay. Here, Hasta and others, if you have doubt, can I get? Okay, I'm just repeating the working. Okay. So this is full wave rectifier. Full wave rectifier, two diodes are there. Remember the circuit, only this much. Okay. Now during forward bias, reverse bias. Now what is happening? At a time, definitely one diode is forward bias. At a time, either diode is forward bias, any one. So automatically you will get output. But what one more condition you have to specify? The current should always flow from one point to another point, A to B only. So make the circuit like that. So suppose D1 forward bias, current flows like that, A to B. D2 forward bias, current flows from like that. But always from A to B. Always from A to B. So you get output. What kind of output this? Pulsating, continuous, pulsating DC. That's all. Continuous because no gap. Pulsating because it is like pulse type. It's not a straight line. So the DC means it should be straight. What you are getting? Pulse type. That's why pulsating DC. So how to get perfect DC? Yes, we can get. For that we use one filter using capacitor and inductor. Okay, that additional point will come. Let you can read. Okay, we'll do that. Okay, how to remove that pulse so it becomes straight like perfect DC. These are the thing. I think what you have done almost over. So fourth onwards you have the class and the exam and the others already informed you. Very good thing is I think the board exam also extended 4th May onwards. So we have still sufficient time. We are planning. I think it may be very soon. You may be coming to school also. Okay, for the practical and also for the revision of theory portion. Okay, we may have that because everything with the guidelines of the government only. But the plan is like that only. Very soon you will be coming. Okay. Anyway, now you will be preparing for the confidence exam. Okay. So we see that. I think the timetable already there. Syllabus already informed you. Okay. So keep on doing well. All the very best. Anything you want to ask from your side regarding today class? So today what we have done, we discussed about the forward bias, reverse bias, point number 1. No, because see, again I am telling no, Monday the decision will be taken. Okay, whatever the, most probably the government has not given any permission for the direct. Okay, but still, by Monday you will get. So for you, no problem. For you, whether it is online or offline, your preparation always best. Okay, I think you can understand. Somebody is asking that already written online mode or offline. But what I tell you, the purpose is what? You are going to appear for finally what? Board exam. That board exam 100% offline, 12 students per room instead of 25 students. No change. So whatever exam you are writing now, whatever exam we are conducting from our school side, that is completely practice exam. You will understand, I think. So that's why you prepare sincerely and give your best. We want that. No comparison, no competition. Okay, whatever performance best you are able to give it. We want that only. Okay, so whatever changes, definitely will inform you immediately. Whatever changes, because everything under the guidelines of the state government. Okay, so okay, once again, keep on doing well. All the very best. Thank you.
Sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, recording.